everyone, and welcome back to the Rainbow Hair Files. Don't mind my hair. I kind of realized that we don't have any kind of intro for this video, and I just got out of the shower. So you're gonna have to deal with this. Today, I'm gonna be showing you a super quick, super cute wash and go hairstyle on Alethea. Obviously, she's always my model. Hello. Yeah, it is probably one of my favorites that we've done here recently as far as a wash and go style. Like I've said before, we don't do those very often, but when I do, I like to make them as quick and easy as possible, but still super cute, which is definitely how I would describe this hairstyle. So, yeah. So I guess that's all I have to say. And we will roll all of the clips now, I guess. Okay, so this is the style that we are going to be doing today. Like I said, super cute, and I actually show you two different versions of the same style. One with hair left out and one with it braided. So let's jump on in. The first thing I did was detangle my daughter's hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and section it off. Then taking our Curly Kids Curly Cream leave-in conditioner, I'm going to rake that through her hair and then detangle with our comb. So once all the hair is detangled, you are going to go ahead and split the hair in half, but not straight down the middle. You are going to create kind of a side part. Now my daughter's hair kind of naturally recedes at a certain point, and I always know where to create a side part because of that. But you can create as deep a side part as you want. It is completely up to you. But you're going to go ahead and curve that side part and then split the hair straight down the middle and combine both of the parts. So once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and tie off or clip off, however you want to do it to get the hair out of the way, half of the hair so that we can just focus on one half at a time. And you're going to go ahead and braid each half of the head or each section. Now you're braiding the entire section, so do not leave any hair out at all. If you do not know how to braid, or you feel like you need kind of a refresher lesson on how to, I do have a video up on our channel talking all about how you braid. I will link that down in the description. like I said, you are braiding the entire section of hair. Do not leave any out at all. And once you get to the bottom, braid a little ways down, but you don't have to braid all the way down to the end. But then go ahead and tie it off so that it stays braided. And go ahead and braid the other side of the head as well. Now once you have both sides of the head braided, go ahead and combine both of them. So you're going to tie both the braids together with a small elastic or a big elastic, whichever you want to use, and then undo the braids that are right at the end. Now this part is optional, but I chose to go in with our Curly Kids Curly Gel Curl Moisturizer, and I'm going to go ahead and rake that through her hair, right where the hair is left out, and then scrunch it. And the end look should look something like this. Now this is a close-up on what the braids should look like, and like I said, there are two different options for this style. If you don't want to leave the hair out, you can do what I'm showing right here and braid the very end of the hair as well and kind of combine the braids at the back. And that should look something like this. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this hairstyle. I hope you like this video. If you do, go ahead and subscribe. We have so many other videos on this channel. I know I've been a little off on my posting recently. I've just been running out of ideas on what to post, honestly. If I'm being completely honest with you, I have no idea what to post. But if you have any hairstyles you'd like me to attempt on her, or if you have ideas for videos on stuff you want to learn, or whatever the case may be, leave those down below along with any questions, and yeah, we'll be sure to answer those for you. Bye. Bye.